Alright, hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a shrimp taco. So we've marinated our shrimp for 15 to 20 minutes in the fridge. And we're ready to start pan frying these. Do it just until they're cooked through. Now you have moisture in shrimp, so they are going to pop just a little bit. I'll bring off just a little bit of the oil, trying to reduce that. Alright, heating our tortillas, just a low heat pan, dry, you don't need to add anything to it. I'm also going to add in just a little bit of garlic. Our marinade is full of spices, we have the orange juice, so our shrimp's going to be full of flavor. We've also got a little bit of sour cream that we've just added just a little bit of paprika to. You could add just a little bit of chili powder or anything just to kind of spice it up just a little bit to make it not so average. We have a little bit of shredded lettuce here to top our tacos. Alright, let our shrimp cook. I just used a cookie cutter to cut these out into the rounds and make them a little bit more of a fun size for the kids. We've heated those up, and you can kind of fold them in half to get your taco shape. You just let them set in this warm pan. That way you don't have to fry them. Alright, so our shrimp are done. Plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.